First alert weather tonight. Let's bring in the chief, Scott Paget. Been eyeballing this day. It's almost like the saute in the pan. It's kind of getting ready, and then we're really gonna start cooking up what Friday, Saturday. Sounds like, right?
Friday into Saturday and into Sunday. Really good cooking for us. So I want to let you know, and just alerting you to the fact that we're gonna have a less active radar tomorrow and even on most of Friday. So it's not going to be awful, but we have higher rain chances this weekend. Our flood threat increasing, and that wet pattern does continue into next week. So it's going to be beneficial rain because we are dealing with drought in some spots of North Texas. We just like to spread it out where it doesn't happen all at once, so to minimize that flooding. And today we did see those scattered showers at times, some heavy downpours moving through parts of North Texas. Now you can't see the radar going into one of its most sensitive modes looking for any rain out there, and a lot of it is still further off towards the east into the northeast. And at times we did see over the last 12 hours as much as a half of an inch of rain to, in some spots, almost 5 inches of rain. That's in the north sides there of Kaufman County, even southwest sides of Van Zandt County, seeing a little bit more than 3 inches of rain. So we're going to be adding on to those totals, and your first alert 6-day rain chance shows tomorrow a 30% chance dropping to a 20% through most of Friday. Friday night that changes. And on Saturday and Sunday, we have more widespread rain on the way. I know it's Mother's Day weekend. Unfortunately, a lot of wet weather on the way. Then in Monday into Tuesday, our rain chance is about 40 to 50%. So the potential rainfall, as you take a look, from now all the way through Monday evening, we could pick up as much as 1.25 inches to almost 2.5 inches of rain to 3 inches of rain in some localized spots. So that's why the flooding concern is there. First alert futurecast shows as we go through the remainder of the night tonight, that low pressure lifts its way to the northeast. Maybe some spotty showers, a couple of isolated storms around for tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours, and a couple here and there. Going into Friday morning, that cloud cover sticking around, and we have that mix of sun and clouds through the day on Friday. But then Friday night, see that complex of showers and maybe some isolated storms working in from the northwest down to the southeast. So overnight Friday and then into Saturday, we have that rain on the way. So we talked about that rainfall potential really piling up. The first alert futurecast with the European model shows going into Saturday morning. Here's that rain kind of sticking around. See how it's more widespread through the afternoon hours going into Sunday morning. The rain is here for us, and then more widespread rain on the way through the day on Sunday. At times light rain to then pockets of some heavier rain going into Monday. The same story. Right now we're sitting at 68 degrees with a south wind at 7 miles per hour holding on. That's the story across a lot of North Texas, in the upper 60s to the lower 70s. The first alert 7-day forecast shows that we are going to be seeing temperatures tonight down into the mid 60s. Rain chances 30% Thursday, 20% for Thursday night. Into the weekend, 80 to 70% rain chances, highs in the low 80s. And as we go into next week, still rain chances around 50% on Tuesday.